type of crises that are presenting clinically to us. It is desperate. It is beyond the measures of normal. And these kids are already self-harming, suicidal, or have
Child therapists and psychologists are sounding the alarm on the mental toll the pandemic is having on our kids. Today, several pediatric organizations have declared children's mental health in the country a national emergency. Kira Hay spoke with local mental health professionals about this.
Children's mental health in this country is now considered a national emergency. The alarming statement coming from the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Organization. The declaration stemming from new reports from the CDC showing mental health emergency visits are up 24% for children aged 5 to 11 and 31% for people 12 to 17. An even more concerning number, attempted suicides are up more than 50% in girls aged 12 to 17 compared to this time in 2019.
I've had a lot of my own students who have been hospitalized for mental health reasons, and it's really frightening.
Elizabeth Strimbu is a high school guidance counselor. She says the number of her students struggling mentally is doubled, and the actions are becoming more severe.
Rather than cutting themselves, they're actually thinking about, like, what do I have to look forward to? What do I have ahead of me?
The emergency declaration to me doesn't seem like it is timely at all.
Lisa Strollman is a clinical psychologist. She says people in her field have been trying to warn about the impact of COVID on adolescents for nearly a year.
It's really frustrating having done this for 15 and 16 years, where I can see the difference of pace and urgency as a clinician, as a mom, as a community member, where if we don't do something now, we're going to see 5 years, 10 years down the road, a larger crisis on our hands.
So what can be done? The emergency declaration is calling for more federal funding for mental health services, better access to telemedicine, and more support for schools and communities. But in the meantime, there are resources available to help people struggling with suicidal thoughts. We have a link of some resources on our website at azfamily.com. In Phoenix, Kiara Hay, Arizona's Family.